If you're someone like me who want to read Wuthering Heights, Pride and Prejudice, Persuasion and all these classic novels but you get bored in a page or two, well, this video is for you. So the very first thing you have to do is read more than those 1 or 2 pages. I know you are probably annoyed and saying, Rishvika, that's the whole issue, that's the whole point. We can't read more than those 1 or 2 pages. But trust me, have some patience. The key here is to pass that threshold. You have to pass that threshold in order to make that connection, in order to build that relationship with that work. The initial pages or even chapters for that matter can be a little overwhelming. So you have to give yourself and that book some time to get over that phase and build that relationship, to be comfortable with the style of writing. Even if you're finding it difficult to understand or you think, there is no connectivity, just hang in there, give yourself some time, keep reading it. Even if you think you're completely wasting your time, still, just hang in there, keep reading, and eventually, trust me, just trust me on this, eventually you'll be like, I can't keep the book down. I mean, of course, if you think that you will love classic. The other thing you can do is to read summary beforehand. Some people say, no, don't read summary, it will give you spoilers and you'll be bored. But when it comes to classics and you're already finding it difficult, well, you have to read summary before. At least I think that, because when you read summary, you'll be familiar with the plot, the characters, so when you start reading the text, you'll not be completely surprised what is going on, and hence it will be easy for you to relate and understand more. The other hack is to read out loud. We tend to get bored easily when we are not connecting to the text, so our mind just wanders here and there, and at the end of the page we think, what did we just read? I don't know what's going on in the text. Well, that is because your mind was not there. In order to prevent that, read the text out loud. If you want to build that connectivity with the text, if you want to complete that book, if you want to give yourself some time, that okay, interest banega dheere dheere. So for that, read out loud. If you think you are losing interest, if you think you are not getting what it is saying, read it again and again. Break down the sentences. So in the initial stage, you have to push yourself, and that will happen when you follow these hacks, when you read out the text out loud. So that was something I learned from my experience, and now I can't put down a classic book. I hope it will help you guys out as well. That was it for today's video. If you liked the video, do share it with your friends and family. See you next time. Till then, stay blessed.